Hi children, this is Uma. Today we are going to see Chemistry Chapter 2, Acids, Bases and Salts Part 3. Learning Objective: to know about neutralization reaction in everyday life. Neutralization definition: the reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. Experiment of neutralization: when an acidic solution with a base solution are mixed in a suitable amounts, both the acidic nature of the acid and the basic nature of the base are destroyed and a new substance is formed. That new substance is called salt. Here, hydrochloric acid mixed with sodium hydroxide gives sodium chloride and water. Sodium chloride is popularly known as common salt. Neutralization reaction in everyday life. We know that hydrochloric acid is present in the gastric juice, which is secreted in the stomach. This acid helps in digestion of food. But excess of hydrochloric acid causes a painful condition called acidity. When you or anybody in your family suffers from acidity, the elders advise you to take tablet or solution of milk of magnesia, which is an antacid. Milk of magnesia is a mild base. It contains magnesium hydroxide. It thus neutralizes the excess of hydrochloric acid. Ant and bee sting. Ant and bee stings contain formic acid. When an ant or bee bites, formic acid is injected into your body, which causes itching. To neutralize the effect of an acid or a bee sting, that portion of body is rubbed with moist baking soda or calamine solution. Baking soda contains sodium hydrogen carbonate and calamine solution contains zinc hydroxide. Both these solutions are basic in nature and hence help to reduce the itching. Soil treatment. Farmers use fertilizers to improve crop yield. Due to excessive use of fertilizers, the soil becomes either too acidic or too basic. Plants do not grow well in such soil. If the soil is too acidic, basic quicklime which contains calcium oxide or slactolime which contains calcium hydroxide is added to neutralize the acidic nature of soil. If the soil is too basic, organic matter is added to the soil. Organic matter releases acid that neutralize the basic nature of soil. Disposal of factory waste. The waste of many factories are acidic in nature. If they are allowed to flow as it is into the water bodies, they cause huge damage to aquatic plants and animals. And also it pollute water. Therefore, basic substances are added to factory waste to neutralize their acidic nature. They are then released into water bodies. Here I have given you some questions. So read these questions carefully and write your answers in an A4 sheet or in a separate notebook. Question number 1. When do you take an antacid? Number 2. What will you add to neutralize acidic soil? Number 3. Define neutralization process. Number 4. Name the acid present in ant and bee stings. Number 5. How can we prevent water bodies getting polluted? Thank you.